Hi, my name is Brianna, and this is my INFS 2400 end of the semester project. As you can see, my website is based on cooking and recipes. Um, it is titled Cooking Together. I will go ahead and give my website a refresh so you guys can see everything that it has to offer. As you can see, my title sits on a Jumbotron that has a class animation. Um, it is titled once again Cooking Together, bringing fun and easy recipes to you and your family. If we slide down, you guys can see that I have a navigation bar. On my navigation bar, we have the link to the homepage, which is titled Cooking Together. Links to breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and drinks, as well as a link to my Pinterest. On this Pinterest, it just has other recipes that aren't on the main website. All right, and if we continue to go down, you guys can see that I have a sidebar that says welcome. It has information about the website and myself, just an overview of the site. And you guys can see that I have images that are rounded. They have overlays on them with text. And so you guys can see lunch, dinner, snacks, and drinks. Um, And if you continue to go down, you guys can see that I have a footer titled Cook and Eat Together with an icon. Alright, so if we go back up, you guys can see that I have, once again, these photos with these overlays. The interesting part about these is that they are links to the next page. So you can actually click on the navigation bar for breakfast, or you can click on the breakfast image, right? And we'll go ahead and do that. And you can see that we also have a Jumbotron, the title of this page, breakfast, as well as our recipes. And so we have turkey egg breakfast casserole and smoked salmon eggs stuffed avocados. Now these are on accordion, so we'll go ahead and open the smoked salmon because that recipe is delicious. And as you guys can see, we have an overview of the recipe right here. The prep cook time in total, as well as the servings, ingredients, and then the directions on how to make it. And that is all in the accordion. And so we'll go back up and we'll close it out and open the first one. And it is the same layout. Healthy casserole for a busy morning or brunch. Ingredients and directions. All right. And that is our breakfast page. Go ahead and close that. And we'll go ahead and go to lunch. Lunch has the same layout as breakfast, same layout, different content. And so on this one, we will go ahead and size the screen to that of a mobile phone. And we'll go ahead and open up these ingredients so you guys can see crunch wrap, chipotle shrimp tacos, which is really good, and a sandwich. And on this one, we actually have a video, so you guys can either follow along in the directions or watch the video and see how you can make a Monte Cristo sandwich, which is really tasty. You'll never make grilled cheese the same again. And so we'll go back up and we will go ahead and go to dinner. And dinner, as you can see, has the same layout as breakfast and lunch. We have 3 tasty dinners, asparagus and creamy mushrooms, chicken enchilada and stuffed spaghetti, squash, and salmon Florentine. And if you open them up, that's the same layout, just different content for these different recipes. And then we'll go back up and we will close these out. Alright, and next we will go to snacks. Alright, and we'll go ahead and show you guys snacks. Snacks is not on accordions, they are just simple cards. And so here you can see a grilled cheese hot dog recipe. Um, the content is basically the same. You have the information, the prep, cook time, total time, and the servings, and the ingredients and the directions all on a single card, no accordion. And here's the second snack recipe, which is a creamy fruit salad with the same layout. Right. And we will go ahead and go to drinks. And I'll go ahead and widen this back up. And we have two delicious drinks, a watermelon breeze, ingredients and directions, and then we have peach lemonade with the ingredients and directions right there. And that is what we have. And so we'll go back to the main page so you guys can see it once again. And that is what it looks like on the desktop. And we'll go ahead and size it down for mobile so you guys can see it. And yeah, sidebar becomes a top bar. And breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and drinks. And that is once again my website. Thank you guys for watching.